how to translate text using WriteSonic. In order to do that, click on this general writing right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see some tools that you can choose. Now, scroll down at the very bottom and you can see in here the translate. Click on this. And then you can see this. Just add in here the text that you want translated. Then click on next. And then for this one, just add your target language. For example, this one, let's choose in here Spanish and click on next in here again. And then from in there, we can head over and then just put in here the dialect preference. So this actually varies depending on the actual language that you've chosen. So for example, for this one, let's put in here Mexican Spanish and click on next. You can also add in here the formality levels. For example, let's put in here neutral only. Click on generate. And then from in there, this will generate the actual text using WriteSonic. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the generation. And as you can see, we have now this. So that's how you translate text using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.